The Lapsi Dosa along with chutney is ready to serve. Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I have made Lapsi Dosa. For that I have taken half cup of Lapsi and quarter cup of Urid dal. Soaked it for 2 hours. Then ground to a smooth paste. Added 1 tablespoon of rava in it. And I prepared the dosa. It's time to flip this. It's really awesome. If you want to make jhatpata dosa, this recipe is very handy. You can even soak it for half an hour or 1 hour. There is no issues. It comes out very nicely. You can drizzle oil or ghee as you wish. So the Lapsi dosa is ready to serve. So this kind of Lapsi I have taken. It's a large size. The rava is large size. Do try this and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.